I spent over $100 on packing cubes, and I don't even use packing cubes. Why? Because these are the #1 packing tip that travel experts give. So before I poo-poo them and tell you that you don't need them, I figured I should probably test some out myself. So I purchased the top 5 best-selling packing cubes from Amazon, and we're gonna unwrap them together. And the best part is that this video is not sponsored. I have no loyalties here, so I get to give you my unfiltered opinion. This'll be fun. All right, let's get started. At number 5, coming in with a classic Amazon Essentials. Let's see. Now this packing cube I purchased for $14.13. This was the least expensive packing cube available. Okay, so we're fully wrapped here. I can already tell based on the weight from holding it, it feels a lot lighter and flimsier than the other ones. We've just got like a basic black. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 packing cubes in here, and quite honestly, they just seem like bags with mesh on one side. There's no compression here other than just the zipper itself. Okay, so basic mesh on one side, the bag pops out, so you've got a little space, and then just nylon on the other side. And again, you've got a big one, got sort of a medium-sized one, same thing. And these are not the same size, but they look the same size. They're sort of like small and one long. Amazon Basics, living up to the name. I do like that there's mesh on one side so your clothes can breathe. However, I don't really know what the point is, other than just like saying that you should have packing cubes. They just seem like 4 bags that came in a box. I don't know, maybe we'll find something better when we get on to the next one. Number 4 bestseller was from BagSmart. BagSmart is a vendor that I am familiar with from other bags. They're pretty popular. This was $17.99. Ooh, and if I remember correctly, they had lots of options. Not easy to open. Oh, well that was clever. They had it all folded up like this. And then boom, that's the actual bag. So they compress their packing cubes. Okay, so this one, $17.99, and it only comes with 2 bags. And they had a variety of colors, so I like that. Of course, I went with Average Girl Pink. Wait, is this only 1 bag? No, there's more than 1 bag in here. Unzip. Ooh, ooh. Hey, we've got 2 bags. I was correct. Okay, this is more like it. So these BagSmart bags, mesh on one side, great. That's what we asked for. I love that there's a little label pocket here. This is important, so you know exactly what you've got in here. They even included extra cards for you to write on, which I think is so smart. BagSmart, living up to their name. Okay, then most important thing I'm looking for in a packing cube is the compression. And you can see this one does have the extra zipper on here, so you do have the compression option. There it is, there's the end of it. So you can open this up to pack it full, and then it's gonna help you squeeze it down, which is the whole point of a packing cube, is to compress everything together. And it has the handle at the top so you could hang this up if you wanted to. This is definitely one of the more expensive options, but so far, impressed. This is totally what I would be looking for if I was a packing cube gal. Good job, BagSmart. Boop. Number 3 bestseller is from a company called Veken, V-E-K-E-N. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Comes like this, again, $17.99. However, this one supposedly comes with 8 bags. So let's get in there. Eleanor, what are you doing? You're not eating anything, are you? Okay. Oh, geez, a lot of plastic. You guys know how much I love plastic. Be facetious. Okay. Woo. Hey, we're out. I lost the thing. It even has instructions. Travel packing cube set. First of all, thank you very much for choosing this product. As a seller of travel packing organizers, we do not advocate for excessive packaging. Okay. As a seller of travel packing organizers, we do not advocate for excessive packaging. Overpackaging can cause tearing issues with the product itself, which can negatively impact the joy of travel, something we do not want to see. Wow, they gave this a lot of thought. Through repeated testing, we have determined the recommended capacity of the packing cubes, which we hope will provide some guidance. I kind of love this. They do. They give you how many shirts they think can fit in each one, how many shirts and how many pants, and suggested folding. That's adorable. I'm kind of a fan. Okay, Veken. You're hired. Let's take a look at the actual packing cubes. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so this actually comes in a travel set. Look at that. So you get like a little bonus, like toiletry organizer, I guess, with it. That's clever. This one has a pocket on the outside, a zipper pocket. And then when we open this up, we get to our actual packing cubes. Very cool, Veken. I don't like the material as much as the BagSmart one. It's a little more slippery. but just being a little nitpicky here. Okay, so these ones are not mesh-sided. Well, this one's not mesh-sided. Wow, we've got a smorgasbord of options here. Okay, I don't even know what to do here, guys. These are like more square. Okay, so you've got one rectangle one. Oh, look, and they like have little pictures on there for what they think you should put in it. Okay, that's got a little mesh top. This one, same thing, little mesh top. And again, they recommend shirts and pants in that one. This one, they got a little picture of like panties and socks. So cute. And cool. This is a long one that doesn't have any pictures on it and no mesh. What else we got in here? We got a little one, no mesh. We've got another big one recommended for, larger items. Jeans, looks like long sleeve shirts and vests. And we've got a drawstring bag. Okay, Vecken started out strong. I love the instructions. I think this is great. I feel like there's too many options. Also, no compression on these ones. So there's no compression zipper, which again is kind of like the point of packing cubes. So kind of a lot going on this one. I do like that it all packs up as a set. However, you are not going to be using this like as a packed up set when you actually travel with it. I do like that it has the clear window in the front so you can see what you packed in these, but that's not consistent through the other packing cubes. It's got a lot going on. That's kind of where I'm landing with this one. It's got a lot going on. I also now have no idea how these go back into the original one. So were there instructions for that? Oh, it was fun to unpack. I don't know about packing it back up though. Now I just have a lot of stuff. Cool. But I guess good money for value, right? That's the same price as the BagSmart one. You get a bunch more bags in that one than you do for the BagSmart, but I think the BagSmart one just had better features. All right, second most popular one is from a company called Olerhike. These, by the way, isn't it wild how these all like look the same? I also did pick like the same color. I sort of went for this blushy neutral color because it's very average girl, but ooh, this one's really in there. Okay, let's see how we do getting this one out. We're gonna need scissors on this one, guys. Very carefully open this up. I also don't think I can return any of these now. Just a little bit of a bummer. We might have to do a giveaway or something. Okay, whew. We are compressed. The Olerhike ones were the most expensive. This thing was $32.99. It comes with, oh my gosh, it's like the exact same instructions as the Vecken one. We got a little manufacturer white labeling going on maybe. Okay, so this one comes with a carrying case, probably a packing cube repurposed as a carrying case. And it has a handle, which I like. It has compression. That's what we're looking for. Ding, ding, ding. Mesh opening. Okay, inside this one packing cube are nestled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, damn, 6, 7, 8. I think it's like a laundry bag. 9, there's that toiletry case. So 10 bags total. I have a feeling this is the same manufacturer as the Vecken one because look how similar this is. It's a Vecken one. Oh my God, what a mess. So oh, it was this. Okay, here we go. This is the Olerhike one. Olerhike is the same thing. These are the same thing. So it's gotta be like the same sort of generic manufacturer and then they are just selling them under different brands and with different capacities. Good to know. Interesting. So a lot more going on here in the Olerhike. I do like there's a more consistent packaging. You have more handles, more mesh, and you can see right through, so that's amazing. And these ones have the compression. So whereas the Vecken one didn't have compression, these Olerhike ones do. Again, the most expensive option at $32.99, but I would say so far, if you are packing a lot or if you're packing for multiple people, this one's probably your winner so far. This is just an explosion of packing cubes. My God, I don't know what I'm doing with my life. There's no way I'm returning all this stuff now. This is out of control. The last one, guys, this is the #1 seller. This one is from a company called Bag-Gale. Same color as our last two. Let's pop this one open and see. Now this Bag-Gale retailed for $16.99. It's got that slipperier, like less expensive feeling fabric to it. So let's see how it looks. Okay, we're gonna pop it open. We've got a carrying case here that's got a Velcro holding what? Interesting. It's got Velcro like holding a pocket thing. I don't know how I feel about that. It's kind of flimsy feeling. All right, then we've got 1, 2, 3. Same with mesh. 4 and little guys. 5, 6, Oh, 7. What are these, like cheapies? So 8 if you include the carrying case. So these are the best seller, but I will say they feel the flimsiest to me. This does not feel like good quality. It just feels like cheap nylon. And I don't know like what you're gonna pack in here. This seems like a really cheap toiletry case that's gonna fall apart on you. And again, no compression on this one. What is going on with the no compression? I thought that's the whole point of getting packing cubes, is for the compression. At least this one I can pack up easier for some reason. Oh, this one does have buckles inside of it, so I guess that's kind of helpful. Much easier to put back into it. And then this one that has no compression, no mesh. It does have a little handle on top, but feels really not great quality. All right, so final word. What did I like? What didn't I like? Well, some of these obviously are rather inexpensive, and they feel inexpensive. The Amazon Basics live up to their name. They are very basic. I didn't love the Bag Gale or the Vecken. The Bag Gale just seemed like it had a lot going on, and none of it seemed particularly quality. This feels like it's gonna rip really quickly. It was interesting that the Vecken and the Ola Hike are obviously very similar. It might be from similar manufacturers. However, the Ola Hike, I love that it has compression. And it has so many options. For $32, you get 10 pieces. So I think if you've got a family, if you're packing a lot of stuff, this is probably your best money for value. However, personally, if I was gonna stick with one of these, and I think I might actually keep these, I really like these options. This is the one from BagSmart. Even though it's only 2 for $16.99, this is clearly the best quality option that I purchased today. This was the one that has the window for your tags, so you know exactly what you've packed. It's super durable feeling. It's got the compression zipper, which is wild that this and the Ola Hike were the only 2 that had compression zippers out of these top 5 packing cues. So for me, I'm sticking with the BagSmart, but if you're looking for a larger, like more economical option, I think the Ola Hike one might be your winner. So I'm gonna leave a link to these down below in case you wanna go check them out for yourself. And holy crap, how did I do that? So I'll leave a link to these down in the description below in case you wanna go check them out for yourself. And maybe I'll take these babies for a spin on my next packing video, which will be coming soon. So make sure that you're subscribed. Until next time, go create a life you love.